Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can scan codes in your wallet app in iOS 18. So guys, if you have just updated your iOS 18 and now you want to scan codes through wallet, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open wallets first. As you can see, it's right on top. Just go ahead and tap there and you'll see these two pages. If you have not set up your wallet account, you just need to go on the second slide and tap on Get. And once you do so, you'll see the option that says Scan Code. Just tap there and use your camera to scan the code. So guys, that's how you scan your code in your wallet app in your new iOS 18. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.